Hi, boys and girls. This week in math, we'll be finishing Chapter 2. We're going to do some performance work. We're going to do our Chapter 2 review, and then you'll take the test on Friday the 6th. So I laid it out for you here. On Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday's assignment, you'll see performance tasks. Remember, those are the problems that are a little bit deeper level thinking, and they usually ask you to do more than one mathematical operation. Okay, and then you'll do the review on Thursday, and I'm going to walk you through the reflection piece, and then on Friday you'll see the test in Google Forms. Okay, so besides all of that this week, I just want you to review a little bit with you that we did cover the commutative property of addition. Doesn't matter the order I put it in, I still get the same answer or sum. The identity property of 0, any number plus 0, that number. And then the associative property. I keep the numbers in the same order, but I move the parentheses. Okay? So we covered all of those. And then we spent a lot of this chapter on rounding, which was our tool from last month too, which helps us with estimation and finding if the answer is reasonable. And then a lot of mental math. You're going to use that forever. So those are a couple of other things. Let's start today with our first performance task. All right. Football season. Randy had a great season playing on his school's football team. The table shows the team's scores in each of the first 5 games. So game 1, 2, 3, and 4, there was the total score. Show your work to receive full credit. So you're going to see this on a Google slide, and I'm going to walk you through this first part of it. So Randy's mother went to games 1 through 5. So she went to all the games. What a great mom. Dad went to games 2 and 3. So he only went to those 2 games. So, which parent saw the team score more points? So, we've got to add up these scores for Randy's mother going to the games. And I'm just going to do that. I'm going to put each one of the scores. Oh, so I just thought of something. I better read this directions and make sure I'm doing the right thing. Randy's mother went to games 1 and 5. So 1 and 5. So they scored 35 on game 1. And 5 was only 45. So she went to the first game and the last game. Oh, okay. So what was her score? 5 plus 5, mental math, 10, carry my 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 more is 8. Now, Randy's father went to game 2, which is 49, and game 3, 38. So I'm going to add those 2 together. 9 and 8, mental math, 17, carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 3 more is 8. So there's my 2 totals of the number of points they saw at the games they attended. So what's my question again now? Which parents saw the team score more points? 80 versus 87, right there. Randy's father. Okay, now when you're going to see that, and you can do that same similar work on your performance task slide today, you're also going to see these a little bit more in depth. So let me read these through to you. Randy's sister went to the 2 games with the least scoring sum. So you've got to determine that based on the first page in the slides. Okay, without actually adding, suggest a way to find the 2 games Randy's sister went to. The least scoring sum. So then just give me a couple sentences on how you would do that. Which ones you would determine it was. And then this one gives us a nice little number line. In game 6, the team scored more points than they did in games 1 and 4. So game 6, remember, is not going to be on our chart, but you've got to use the clues that they give you. They scored more points than in games 1 and 4 combined. So, I have to do some adding there. But less than 75 points. Name 4 possible amounts the team scored. So use your number line and label that. You can do this, just a 2-step problem. And then the last one, the scorekeeper made an error. In game 5, the team actually scored 48 points. If you find the sum of all the points scored in the first 5 games before and after the error was fixed, how would they compare? Ooh, we've got to do some adding on that one too and compare the two numbers. All right, that's all for now.